The final thing, and this gets into the cyber deception thing that I think is really incredibly important. We talk about this in cyber deception as canary tokens. And this is one of the labs that we do in the class. So with canary tokens, what you can do is you can add HTML to your authentication portals. And many times you can actually put like custom banners and custom logos and custom JavaScript and things of that nature. But one of the things that you can do is, where's my clone trooper, is you can upload JavaScript onto the website. So I'll just add this domain protected. Let's say it's Black Hills. And then I can create a token. Now, what this does is it creates this JavaScript right here. And what this JavaScript says is if document domain does not equal Black Hills InfoSec, and only whenever it doesn't equal Black Hills InfoSec, then what it's going to do is it's going to try to load an image that is hosted on the Canary Tokens website. All right. So what this means is this will only fire if it's executing on a domain that is not blackhillsinfosec.com. And that's pretty obvious that there's some shenanigans at play there, but you can actually go to a number of different Java obfuscators. And what it does is it scrambles that JavaScript. Sorry, not Java, but JavaScript. So we can, oh, I just completely screwed that up. Let's go recopy this, copy that. There we go. We can obfuscate this code so it's a lot less likely that someone's going to be able to read it, that it say that this is actually a canary token on it. And go ahead and obfuscate. There we go. And some of these actually will, that's the same one. Some of these will actually run it as well. So what this does, just so you know, is when you do it this way, and you add in this type of JavaScript onto your authentication page, what happens is when someone scrapes that authentication page to try to harvest user IDs and passwords to break into your environment as part of a spear phishing campaign, this will fire before they even send a single email into your environment. And whenever it does fire, it'll actually give you what the IP address is of the system that fired it. So this literally gives you the ability to block spear phishing attacks before a single spear phish comes into your organization. So I'm going to stop sharing. I hope that that makes sense.